need a longer line.
We should do like an ancient shield. There it is, ancient shield. Boom.
Hey, look, it goes oldest to youngest.
Big, medium, small.
I like to say small, medium, large. Hank's large. He's large and in charge.
I'm large and chunky.
Oh!
First I rake, and then I heat. Oh man. Pretty good then. You're gonna run yourself over.
Hank, sit down right here and get in front of me.
What?
Just your head's on fire, that's all. Hank, your head's on fire.
Is this your singing now? Let me see it. Oh, here.
Do we have a wheelbarrow?
There you go.
I like to rake myself. I start raking on Mom's pile today. I probably raked for 3 hours this morning.
Whoa.
Trying to get it perfect.
Yeah.
But now I have to bring dirt in. I'm going to have to ask your
Whoa!
Is that cool?
That was cool. See how long you can hold it. There you go. Cool, June. I love it.
I like this shovel.
When she's pregnant,
I was practically crippled.
and we caught the car on fire.
Oh, dude, that worked out. That almost did not happen.
It's water.
Thank
These things are heavy.
Oh, wow, Hank. Cleaning up this property one giant tree branch at a time. Almost called it a tree stick. You're crazy, June. Oh. Grass is nature's carpet. Ain't that the truth?
Don't run me over, please.
Oh, that was sweet. Do that again, June. No. It's just because you're on the incline. She like popped a wheelie. Are you gonna go home with Nan?
You want to go see the cows? And Grandma? And Daisy? And the kitty cats? And Papa?
Are you ignoring us?
You want me to grab it?
I love you. I'll go grab him. Okay, bye-bye.
I'll get in the
So
car.
cute. Okay. Well, Heath's gone, which is a bittersweet thing, but we'll be able to get way more done and just like be able to engage with the older kids a lot easier.
For sure.
Jordan has gotten
I just got it going.
He's gotten it going. He's gotten some quick progress on this little.
This shipping container is not level. That's gonna be an issue.
Well, can't you just make the board level?
Well, yeah, I made this is level, but the container ain't level. So when we roof all of it continuous, we might have an issue.
Oh.
Think about
I
that.
thought it was level.
No, it's not perfect.
Must have settled or... You look like an old man, the saggy booty. But I love you.
This thing ain't level at all.
Just in those shorts, I mean.
Mom, like this. No, Mom, like this.
Are you doing alright? Are you okay? Did you see Oh, that hurts. So Dad and I decided the only way we'll play Candyland is if we go play it up in the main cabin and watch the sunset.
No.
Well, Dad and I are gonna go watch the sunset then. So I guess we could play Candyland after and you guys could watch your movie. They both said no. Yeah, will you grab us a chair? I got our snacks, street tacos, some guac and chips. So yeah, date night for probably 5 minutes before the kids come up there like saying some crazy I'm just kidding.
You have to go here.
No, you're here.
No, Dad, look.
Yeah, red. Here.
No, this isn't when it's orange. See?
It's red.
No, it's not.
That's orange.
She's especially gonna be mad when I win.
Okay, who won?
Daddy.
No, I did.
That'd be me.
Dad won.
Fine.
Like always.
I was in jail for like...
June tried to cheat.
What's up?
Nothing. We watch Andre. And
Okay.
fall asleep. Come on, Dad. Come on, kids.
Look at my head. It looks like it's like superimposed in there. Licorice. I love licorice.
Oh, God. You're a licorice beast, dude.
Oh, I used to love
grab the
this
pillow.
movie.
Me and June roasted some plastic. No, we roasted some worms. You did? What's mean?
No, not real.
Oh. Sugar worms? Yeah. I think you're just so handsome with your hair like that.
Let's see. Is he handsome? Let's see. He looks a little mean, but still handsome. So it's the next day out here. We're still burning. You can see we made a huge dent on our pile, which is good because you never know, a burn ban could be here any day. I'm just gonna keep burning today. Anna and the kids are in the camper watching a movie. I'm gonna start working on the little pump house deal. I got the holes dug out yesterday and I got my little ledger board up. Got this. I'm just gonna hang it off the container, build a little platform, and then I'll hack those posts off at the platform, sheet it, and then off of that we'll build our walls. She likes it when it crackles.
No, I just like not telling.
I.
wash my hands.
Yeah, I can help you with that. 1 second. Okay, turn around. Turn around. Okay, now go find something to dry them off with. We should be good. Jenny. Oh, what? Thank you. Thank
Pick
you.
one.
Oh, just pick one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one's
Okay.
for Hank.
Good girl.